What's up, boss dogs? It's Curtis Tondino, and today we back with another unboxing. It's been a while, but not only has it been a while, I feel like it's been a while since I bought a pair of shoes that I thought are like actually cool, I actually like, and I think are like, you know, all about the spectacle. Of course, you've already seen the title, so you know that these are the Balenciaga Cargos. Ironically, I got surprised with these from my sister. She just knew I was about to drop a new sweatsuit, so check this out, by the way, shopdino.com. I can't really show you the whole thing. I'm gonna zoom out in a second. See, that more flare. It's not too flared though, kind of like a regular box fit. So, this is a like pretty much discreet box. I feel like the box is so discreet because, you know, who wants to get their Balenciaga stuff? So it comes in like one of the traditional boxes, which is just like the gray Balenciaga box. Nothing too special. Called the Cargo Suede Mesh Beige Gray Red, made in China. Interesting. I got a size 41, which is a men's 8. Now we got a card. It says Balenciaga, you know, nothing crazy. Usually the receipt is in here. Oh, like this is like the ship back information. Returns, thank you for shopping with Balenciaga. Oh, to my favorite brother. Oh, I'm her only brother. Thank you, Shay. Then they come with their signature drawstring backpack. This one is way bigger than usual. Looks like there's something on there. Can I see that? This one is way bigger than usual. These aren't really like the best quality, to be honest with you. So if you get them, I would say reinforce the like straps on the bottom. Wear tissue paper. So they come normal for the most part. Yo, what the fuck? What the? Yo, do y'all see these? Are y'all seeing these right now? The side of the box say 41. This shit says 41. Yo. This shoe is giant. I don't think the camera is doing justice. Like, let me show y'all like a regular size shoe for me. Hold on. These are MNY, so they're not half as big, but this is a size 8. Look at this in comparison. Like, do y'all see that? This looks like a whole, like, completely different size. Like, the camera's still not, I don't think y'all, I'm gonna have to put them on for y'all to see, to kind of understand, because this is insane. But I like them though. I didn't think they looked this big, because online when you look at the footage, they do not look this big. But what I will say is that they definitely look a little, they look way bigger in person, like huge. So we got a little stuffing, okay. Oh wow, the inside, okay, so that's how they did it. The inside isn't as big. Excuse me. Funny detail, right? Yo, look, yo, they already come dirty right there. Let me tell y'all why that's super important, because with like light shoes like this, you're going to get them dirty if like, well, maybe not everybody, but sometimes it happens, okay? But these come like super dirty. Like even, yo, like honestly, like this shoe is so big, I did not expect it. All right, so let's get into some details. So we got the new Balenciaga logo, or one of the two. I love this B right here, just reminds me of like a New Balance logo. And then they got like this like infinity logo where it looks like an 8, but it's actually a B. They already got like scratches on the side. Everything is dirty. They look like a dirty pair of oversized New Balance. It's like, the details though are so dope. Like it reminds me of like a triple S. You will not be able to drive in these. Like look how much like extra space it has in the back from like where your heel is to there. Like that's pretty insane. Like I gotta try these on. I'm so excited to try these on. Other than that, in the box it came like a little card like this, which is usually just like in different languages. I think it's like their brand card. And it did come with the extra pair of already dirty shoestrings. This is so bizarre to me because it's like, if your shoestrings are dirty, do you really need an extra pair? But I'm not complaining because we all know how that goes with like, you might spill something odd on there. What I will say is in recent years, I don't feel like Balenciaga's quality has been as it was in the past. Like the leathers on the Arenas was crazy. But honestly, like my triple S's, if that makes sense, have stood the test of time. But my track 2, like my tracks are kind of solid. Track 2s, no. The runners, yo, my runners feel like they're falling apart sometimes. And don't get me wrong, I've definitely worn them a lot, but I've never worn them to like the extent of like, I don't do anything athletic. I don't run really, like I drive, I come in the store, like I don't really have like such a busy life. And or like even athletic life to like have had that destruction. But I love this pull tab on the back because it's like big as fuck. Like the size of the shoe, like it looks proportionate, maybe because like the angle of the camera, because the camera's kind of angled down. But this is so large, and when I show it to y'all on my foot, you guys are gonna understand. Right at the toe tag, it has a Balenciaga like Air Force type, like Nike Air like plate type thing, toe plate, something. Of course, we got the size at the top, looking dirty as ever. And the bottoms remind me of a triple S a lot, mixed with like maybe this is like a track or runner. But this is a really solid shoe. So now we're going to try them on. Try them on. Try them on. And I don't think the camera is doing justice at like how big these look on my feet. So I'm trying to like give y'all a real idea. I'm gonna pull these up so y'all can see. Dino socks, by the way. Like, do y'all see that? I don't think y'all getting the magnitude of like how large this shoe is. I'm gonna show y'all in the camera as well. Please don't be getting no free foot, you know, whatever y'all got for me or whatever. Don't do it for free now. Cash App a brother. You want some foot-tainment? Cash at me, alright? Say hi, foot. See, my foot is flexible. We can get something shaking, alright? Cash at me. Let's talk about it. These are some close-ups. I always wonder, like, do like the manufacturers in like other countries, like, do they like, when they like are making dupes, or let's not call them dupes, let's call it what it is, fake stuff, do they look at like videos like, okay, this is a great review, he showed very detailed photos, let's use that. I love how it comes dirty on the side. The light is bright in here, so it's kind of hiding it, but yeah. Look at me when I stand to the side, like, that is insane. Mind you, this is a size 8. It looks like a freaking size 15. Like, you got a size 15 back there, Bino? Okay, so it's not as big as the show. I knew I wasn't crazy, because the show was, they was some boot to stompers, and I knew they wasn't gonna do that, but that's why I thought they weren't gonna be this big. Worn out effect, dirty. Microfiber and mesh, reflective details on the upper, I didn't know that. Balenciaga logo on the outsole and that back. Metallic plate with logo engraved on the upper. 3B Sports Icon. Also, that logo is called the 3B Sports Icon artwork embossed on each side. Unity Sports Icon artwork on the upper and on sole. That must be like the Infinity logo. It does say this shoe runs large. We recommend sizing down. I agree 100%. That's how I was going to discuss the sizing. I got a 41, and usually I don't like my feet to like literally like be cupped at the top of a shoe. So when they say they run big, I'm like, okay, I'm still gonna get a 41 because it just makes the most sense, right? But the truth is, I really could have gotten a 40. They retail for $1,300. To me, I would say get these if you want a closet full of things with shock value. I assumed they were gonna be the size of like a triple S, but in a track style, because that's kind of what they remind me of, or like, yeah. But, and Balenciaga has been going a lot smaller with shoes recently, so I didn't know they would go this big. All in all, what I'm trying to say is just that, personally, I probably could have got as much as that. But for me, this is like a collection item. Like, I'll be able to show people years down the line, like, look at this odd shoe. You know what I'm saying? Like, look at the shoes we wore in 2024. And the future is here. Like, the things and the decisions that we're making are less and less practical. And whenever I looked at the future, that somehow is what made it special. You know what I'm saying? I got the expanders, and I was in a rush to get them because I thought they were going to be really popular. But a lot of them are on sale, even though the sale was only like $900. But Balenciaga has become really like the leader in like odd footwear, and I personally like odd footwear, but then on a day-to-day I don't be having shit to wear. So, alright Bostons, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, please be sure to comment down below and let me know what you think of the shoes. Did they look as big to you as they look to me? And did they look as big at first as when you seen them on my feet? Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I'm really trying to stay consistent on YouTube, but that really takes me seeing some growth and some change in my channel. Yeah, that's pretty much it for real. Alright, boss Don, stay untouchable. Godspeed.